Have you ever wondered if you can exercise while fasting? It's a common myth that exercising during fasting is harmful or less effective, yet emerging evidence suggests otherwise. Fasting and exercise aren't mutually exclusive. In fact, under certain circumstances, they can complement each other beautifully. This is about more than just burning calories. It's about empowering your body to tap into stored energy efficiently. But how does this work? Let's dive into the science behind it. To understand how exercise and fasting interact, we first need to understand what happens in our body when we fast. When we fast, our bodies undergo a fascinating transformation. Typically, our bodies use glucose as the primary source of energy, which we get from the food we eat. However, when we're fasting, the food isn't there. So our bodies ingeniously switch gears and start tapping into our stored fat for energy. This transition doesn't happen instantly. It's a process guided by a symphony of hormones. One key player is insulin, which typically helps our cells absorb glucose. During fasting, insulin levels drop, signaling our bodies to start burning stored fat. Simultaneously, growth hormone levels rise. This hormone helps maintain our muscles and tissues, making it particularly useful when our food intake is low. This symphony of hormonal changes allows our bodies to continue functioning optimally, even without a constant influx of food. Now, with this understanding, how does exercise fit into this picture? It might surprise you, but exercise and fasting can go hand in hand. Yes, you heard that right. When you fast, your body is in a fat-burning state. This means that when you exercise while fasting, you are essentially hitting the ground, running or lifting or whatever your workout of choice may be. Think of it this way: instead of your body having to switch gears from digesting food to burning fat, it's already in that fat-burning zone. This makes your workout more efficient and can potentially lead to better results. Now let's talk about growth hormones. These are naturally occurring substances in our bodies that help with muscle recovery and rebuilding post-workout. Now guess what happens when you're fasting? You've got it. The levels of these growth hormones increase. This means that not only are you potentially getting more out of your workout, but your recovery time could be improved as well. So you see, fasting and exercise can be a dynamic duo. You're allowing your body to efficiently burn fat, and you're giving a boost to those growth hormones that help you recover. It's like giving your body the best of both worlds. But you may be wondering, when is the best time to exercise during fasting? Well, that's a great question, and it's what we're going to dive into next. So when is the best time to exercise during fasting? The timing of your workouts during fasting can make a substantial difference. The body has an uncanny ability to adapt and find energy even when you're not feeding it. Working out in a fasted state before breaking your fast allows your body to tap into its stored energy. It's like running on a reserve tank, but don't worry, this tank is plentiful. Now, let's talk hormones. When you exercise on an empty stomach, certain hormones get a nudge. They wake up, stretch, and spring into action. One such hormone is the growth hormone, which not only aids in body repair after exercise, but also improves performance. Exercising while fasting isn't just about weight loss or burning calories. It's about optimizing your body's functions, enhancing your performance, and improving recovery times. So, next time you plan a fast, don't hold back from your regular workout. Just time it right and reap the benefits. Before we wrap up, here's a quick reminder. If you found this video helpful and want to continue exploring the science of fitness and nutrition with us, please like and subscribe to our channel. It's a small gesture, but it makes a big difference. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon. That way you won't miss out on our new video updates. And we're always working on bringing you more exciting content, exploring topics that help you achieve your fitness goals and enhance your understanding of your body. Until next time, stay fit, stay healthy, and remember, your body is a marvel of nature. Treat it well.